Hey folks, a little bit warm in the valley today. Brownsville tied a very old record, a record that was set in 1883. Just like yesterday, 99 was the record, and today we got there again, tying it. Harlingen broke the record. The old record's 103, set in 1915. Got to 105 today in Harlingen. Now, other cities in the valley didn't break records, but it still got hot. Edinburgh was 105, McAllen 103, Westlake 102, and Port Isabel 97. It was a hot one across the area. We should scale it back a degree or two over the next few days, but it's a slow process. It's not going to cool off much anytime soon. These are the currents. We're 84 here in Westlake, 87 McAllen, 89 Rio Grande City at this hour, 85 at the coast, while Brownsville checks in at 86. Overnight tonight, upper 70s, low 80s, 79 or 80 for the most part across the region. Warm and humid. In addition to setting record highs, we've been setting or tying record high minimums, meaning the low temperature is warmer than it's ever been on this date. So we've seen that again. Probably see it again tonight in a few places. Then tomorrow, it's just hot again. 101 to 106 across most of the valley. Brownsville at 98, South Padre at 92 tomorrow afternoon. Normal high for this time of year is 97. That's the 30-year average. We'll be above that at 102 each of the next few days. Now, the Doppler network's been quiet today, and we don't expect anything tonight and probably not tomorrow either. We're staying with a dry forecast, even though upper levels of the atmosphere are cooling a little bit. We're a little less stable over the next couple of days. So the suggestion is we can't completely rule out a very brief, very isolated sprinkle or two. And that's what we're trying to see maybe on the sea breeze. But right now we're going with a dry forecast. But don't be surprised if there's a drop or two on the windshield during the afternoon, especially in the lower valley, but not much more than a brief, very isolated shower. For the most part, it's a dry forecast. Dry across most of the state today. There's a front sitting across North Texas, but it's the big ridge right here that's controlling things. It does back up a little bit, allowing that front to settle down to about the middle part of Texas, maybe all the way to the Gulf of Mexico, but stop right about there. The moisture should stay to the north, but again, wouldn't be surprised if the sea breeze activates a brief shower the next day or two, but nothing more than that. And by Saturday and Sunday, the high builds back in again, pushing any rain chances out. Tropics, very quiet. The Atlantic, the Caribbean, well, actually the Gulf, the Caribbean, and the Atlantic, all very quiet. Absolutely nothing right now. Nothing expected for the next 5 days. Your first 4 5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, mainly clear, 79. Then tomorrow we're up to 102, mostly sunny, breezy, a hot afternoon, and for the most part, a dry afternoon. And for the most part, this is a dry forecast, with the exception of that spotty sprinkle in the sea breeze, which could show up maybe Thursday and Friday, but nothing big, nothing significant. We just stay hot through the rest of the forecast period. That's your updated first 4 5 AccuWeather forecast. We'll be back right after the break.